Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session for result compilation of sub-evaluations to the respective main exam, that is exam posting. Exam posting refers to forwarding or consolidating the marks of sub-evaluations of a main exam into its main exam, and the result as posted or forwarded in the main exam will only appear in the report card, whereas the marks of the sub-evaluations will not display in the report card. Before you can start this activity, you need to ensure that the exam rules and exam string rules and posting rules are already defined for the respective class sections. Let us now see the steps to post the exam of sub-evaluations into the main evaluation. Click on button MSTAR and select Module Examination. The name of the module appears in the main screen, which means that you're now working in the exam module. Click on the button Activities and select Screen Exam Result Posting. As the screen opens, select the academic year. Select session for which exam posting needs to be done. Select class and section for posting. After this, click on the box next to the main exam name and you will see the list of all the exams defined for the class section selected. Select the name of the exam for which exam result posting needs to be done, and after this, click on the box next to the exam schedule and it will show the exam schedule of the selected exam. Click on the exam schedule to select it. Now click on the button Select Exams to Post and a new window Select Exams to Post result will appear. You will see a rule ID already appearing for the selected exam. This is the last rule ID created for the selected exam. In case this rule ID is correct and the sub-evaluations listed in the screen are correctly made applicable, then proceed to the next step. In case the rule ID needs to be changed, click on the box next to the rule ID, and if there are other rule IDs also, then click on that rule ID, or else let the existing rule ID remain selected. It is essential that the correct rule ID is selected in this box so that the marks of correct sub-evaluations are forwarded to the main evaluation. After you have verified that the correct sub-evaluations are made applicable as yes, click on the close button in the window. The window closes and now click on the arrow button next to the text activity, and now it shows the list of all the subjects. Select the activity for which exam result posting needs to be done, and once you select the activity, the main grid gets populated with the marks obtained against the various sub-evaluations selected as per the rule. So it is now showing us the name of the student of the selected class section, the marks obtained for all the sub-evaluations which were part of the rule ID selected for the selected subject, and it is also showing us the final marks. Verify the marks in the marks obtained and the final marks. So for example, for the student Sonakshi Saxena, the first evaluation is showing us 13 and the second evaluation is showing us 9. So the total of these two out of 30 as per the rule comes out to be 22. So if the calculation of all the students is correct to be posted for the main evaluation FA4, click on the Save button. It will ask whether you want to post the consolidated exam result to the exam FA4 middle. If you are confirmed and you have verified the result from the main screen, click on button Yes. If you want to cancel the exam posting, that is, you do not want to post the result, click on button No. Since we want to post the consolidated result into the main exam, we are clicking on button Yes. And the data saving confirmation message is received. Click OK on the confirmation message. This means that our result has been posted for the two sub-evaluations into a main evaluation. You can repeat these steps by selecting another activity. So click on the activity box and select another activity. It will again populate the marks obtained for the sub-evaluations of the new selected activity. Verify the result in the column Final Marks. The absent and zero rule will be displayed or calculated as per the string rules defined. So verify these marks in the Final Marks column, and if the marks are correct to be posted into the main evaluation, click on button Save. Confirm the consolidation of exam result to the main exam by clicking on button Yes, and you will receive the data saving confirmation message. Click OK on the confirmation message. Similarly, keep selecting other activities for exam result posting. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen. Now, it is also important for us to go and check that our main examination FA4 is showing the posted marks. For that, click on the button Activities and select the screen exam result. Select Academic Year once the screen opens. Select Session. Select class and section for which we posted the exam. Select the exam name for which the result was posted, and select the activity for which the result was posted. So as you select the activity, it will show us the marks obtained in the marks obtained column as posted from the posting screen. You can verify the marks again, and these will be the marks which will appear in all the reports and report cards for prospective students. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen, and repeat these steps for consolidation of sub-evaluations into main evaluation. Thank you for watching this video.